is prefabricated and make a money before everything will be in place. And we expect to commission this project by the first week of May 2022. So this is a project undertaken by GSIDC under the chairmanship of Dr. Pramod Sawant and myself as Vice Chairman. In the previous tenure, आमका आज बरं दिसतं की GSIDC has the entire purpose of GSIDC stands and it undertakes work and completes it in record time. We can see that 3 months पूर्वी this project's estimated time was about 8 months, but we can see that we are 3 months earlier than what the estimated time is. And with us today is one of the managers of GSIDC, Bhavjot Karwala, who is very instrumental in this whole entire project. The contractor has been very supportive of PNR Construction. The entire work has been executed on priority just as the entire work demands. This entire place is a bottleneck. This is one of the main arteries that brings a lot of economy to the city of Mapsa. Everything in Mapsa runs because of this major artery where it serves to the neighboring villages of Haldona, Bastara, Ukasai and many other villages that are connected to this entire region. So within this next month, we can expect this entire work to get completed and it will be open to public immediately.
So you want to give some technical details?
It's a 40 meters long bridge and stability period was 8 months, but we are finishing within 5 months. To be precise, we are almost 3 months ahead. The contractor has been very supportive. He has planned the entire project very well, and consultants also have given the drawings and all whatever was required on time, so that no time was wasted. Few days here and there was a delay in supplying the bearings because of the raw material. Anyhow, that has come, and he is going to compensate for that lost time. And he promised that by 20th April, he is going to cast everything, and then we will need some time for testing because the concrete also has to develop its strength, and then be commissioned for testing. So we are expecting. What is the price meeting? But they are already fabricated and they have already come.